Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. When is Japanese Tokyo inflation data and how could it affect USD JPY? http ntvforex.com news IDEA 698A 5 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Tokyo Core CPI overview. Japanese Statistics Bureau will release the August month inflation data on early Friday morning in Asia, 23:30 GMT globally. While Tokyo Consumer Price Index CPI is considered to be the benchmark of price pressure in the Japanese economy, Tokyo CPI ex fresh food, popularly known as Tokyo Core CPI, gains much love among Japanese yen JPY traders as one of the favorite price measures for the Bank of Japan BOJ. The Japanese inflation data, otherwise mostly ignored, is likely to gain attention after the U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman announced longer-term easing bias in Jackson Hole speech. Forecasts suggest a mild consolidation in the Tokyo CPI ex fresh food YoY figure of 0.4% to 0.3% while signaling an upbeat Tokyo CPI data of 0.8% YoY versus 0.6% prior. It should be noted that the Tokyo CPI ex food and energy figures may also recede to 0.5% from 0.6% on an annualized basis. How could Tokyo Core CPI affect USD JPY? Bank of Japan's dovish tone, coupled with the government's support for early money policy and a readiness to offer fiscal support, signals further rise of the USD JPY pair if the scheduled data fail to please the Japanese yen JPY traders. However, the losses could be limited in a case of mild changes in price pressures. It should be noted, however, that markets wish to retrace the previous DIA's risk on sentiment, amid challenges to the US-China trade deal and uncertainty surrounding the American fiscal stimulus, may guard the yen majora's short-term upside. Technically, an upward-sloping trend line from July 1, at 106.70 now, followed by a 100-day SMA level of 107, could keep exerting downside pressure on the quote. Though, sellers are less likely to be convinced unless the quote slips below the monthly support line, currently around 105.55. Keynotes: USD JPY reverses sharply and jumps to tests weekly highs above 106.50. About the Tokyo CPI ex fresh food. The Tokyo Consumer Price Index released by the NBSP Statistics Bureau. NBSP is a measure of price movements obtained by comparison of the retail prices of a representative shopping basket of goods and services, excluding fresh food. The index captures inflation in Tokyo. The purchase power of JPY is dragged down by inflation. Generally, a high reading is seen as positive for the JPY. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.